Hi, my name is Farah. If you are new here, I make a lot of content on makeup hauls and tutorials, stationery hauls, especially Traveler's company stuff. Oh my god, I love Traveler's notebook. I vlog sometimes when life is a bit interesting and I travel for quite a bit. Now, if those things interest you, please subscribe to me. It's going to be a fun ride. So, hope to see you very soon on my channel. Take care now. Bye. Now, this video is going to be extra fun for the stationery lovers. So, if you hear me say pretty a lot in this video, take a sip of water every time.
I thought of not wanting to show you what I got in my Traveler's notebook haul, but I decided that it is going to be a big one and I might as well show it to you guys what I got, right? It's just rugi kalau tak show sebab I think that you guys would be very interested in what I bought. So let me just start off with this Dean & DeLuca bag. I am going to turn this into a Traveler's notebook passport size. Maybe not passport size, maybe the what do you call it, the regular size one bag. So I'm really hoping that I can do that with this. This comes with the tumbler that I bought from Dean & DeLuca. So I'm not going to waste this bag. This is going to be one of the bags for my Traveler's notebook. And then this is a beautiful Traveler's notebook bag, the Hokutose. So nice. It's part of the bags that I'll be using. So I bought a bag too. This is like a tote bag, a small tote bag. It's very cute. It has this train trip by Hokutose. Very nice. I like the color palette of beige, gold and blue. I love that. And then, oh, this is something from the Museum of Natural History. This is a picture of Hachiko. I'm going to use that as part of my journal. So I'm very happy to have this. It is actually I think a postcard. Yes, it is a postcard, but I'm not going to use it for postcard. Let's move on to what I've got for the rest of the things. So just to show you, I bought this one, which is the sticker for badge. I think this is stickers, so I'm hoping that I can just put it somewhere on my, either in my Hobonichi or in the Traveler's notebook. We'll see. We have the repair kit. I think I'm running out of mine, and this is for different color. This is the standard color, which I have not seen before, so I'm really excited to use that. This is the connecting rubber bands that I'll use to connect all my books. I have another one for the passport size. Exciting. And then this is the line notebook, of which I have stamped the Tokyo Station stamp there. Yes. And there's another one in the back. So nice. And then we have this one, which I went a little bit crazy with. This is a stamp note book. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring the same book for all 3 locations, and I had to buy this stamp book all over again. So this book would contain all the stamps that I have, and this is one of it. I think this one was in Narita. Can't remember, but I was so excited to be stamping all these. Yay! So all 3 of these would have stamps in it. Then this is the Nakameguro line notebook that I had stamped. This is the Narita one. Another line notebook for my for my regular size notebook. And then this one is the regular size notebook. Airport. Have a nice trip. I think this is a blank one, but I'm okay. I'll just use it for whatever it is. And then we have 3 of the line notebooks for passport size. I love this. I use this a lot. A grade 1. And then this one is the airport one as well. This is the blank page one for the passport. So pretty. Moving on, I bought a few charms here and there. Airplane charm. This is so nice. It's so nice. And from Nakameguro, I got the train trip by Hokutose charm. So nice. I bought a few tokens to use with gachapon. So I got this one, the sushi one, and then I got the limited edition one, which is beige and blue color. Is so pretty. So I decided to ask them to change it into a magnet so that I can put it on my fridge, and this one becomes a charm. And this one, I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it is a it's a postcard as well. This one was from Narita Airport. It's very nice. I love it. I'm going to laminate this, or I'm just going to add it in as part of my journal. Another one, boarding pass. So nice. Traveler's Air. They have really nice ephemeras. Here's another one. Hello, I am a traveler. The world for all the travelers who have a free spirit. So nice. This is from Nakameguro. It is magnetized. Should have bought another one, but I often use my bulldog binder clips, so I didn't buy more of these. With some of the purchases, I received some stickers like this one. From Nakameguro, I got the washi tape. This is the subway metro. I really like that, and I'm going to use it for my journals. I went on most of these lines when I was there. This one was just a survey that we completed at the airport on our way back from on our way to KL. So once we have already completed the survey, we got this Mount Fuji eraser. It's very cute. I'm not going to use that at all. It's too cute. Now these are the exciting packages. This one is from Tokyo Station, and this one is from Narita Airport. So I'm going to open each one and I'll show you. With this one, I received a tag. This one I forgot to ask them to package it like this, unfortunately, but it's okay. I'll just have to bear with it. Maybe next time around when I go to Japan again, I'll ask them to package it in this manner. I am so excited to open this. At the same time, I am not excited to open it. I don't know why. I guess I wanted to keep it in its pristine condition. Eek! So this bit tells you what's inside. It is the color brown, and then we have this have a nice trip blank page notebook inside it, and also extra bands, another bag for it. Yay! The leather smells so good and it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And it has a brown band. It comes with another band which is orange in color, or is it yellow? I think it's orange. Yep, orange in color. And then inside this we have the have a nice trip blank page notebook. Yay! I'm keeping it back in its bag until I'm ready to use it. Now onto the Tokyo Station cover. Eek! The ladies at the Tokyo Station was really nice. They were very happy to see that I was so excited being there. So they helped out a lot and they were amazing. So yeah, I hope that one day I'll see them again and they can help me out with my purchase again. So that's the tag. How pretty. I think this one is dark brown. I'll have to look again. This is an ephemera. So somehow or other I have to make sure that it is not damaged somehow. Managed to get it off. Yay! Unveiling it a little bit at a time. I think I spent more here if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, another sticker that I have to save.
Slowly does it. Ah!
Okay, got through. I got the stuff out. Yay! Look at that. So many things. Oh my goodness. They packaged this really well. Now, I bought this one, which is the leather care kit. I don't know. I think maybe I'm not taking care of it that well because the one in the office doesn't look that good. But I'm hoping that I can take care of it better now. Now that I have this Traveler's Notebook leather care kit. Hopefully. It was not that expensive, this one. It was quite reasonably priced. Made in Germany. Wow. Okay. Not bad. Renapur is made from natural ingredients including beeswax and jojoba oil. Leather balsam. Okay. Alright. Whatever. Oh, wait. I need to show you this one. This is my Traveler's Notebook bag. This is the Koda style. And then there's the Traveler's factory there. Hey, I love it so much. The blue color is so striking. It's just me. This is my color. This is my color. I love it. It has a small handle right here, so you just bring it around just like that. How cute! Here's another postcard that I got. This one is more colorful. I love it. Here's a leather press sticker. I'm not sure what I'll use it for. I'm hoping that it will be on a notebook or something. Let's see. For the blank notebooks, it looks like this. It's so pretty. Look at that. Train trip from Tokyo Station, and this is how Tokyo Station looks like. It's so pretty. And another one, I think this is also, yeah, this is blank pages. This one is blank too. Okay lah. I got so many blank notebooks now. Okay, my bad. This one is in brown too. Okay lah, tak apalah, nak buat macam mana, sebab nak sangat kan. Okay, so anyway, It has all aboard, get on Traveler's train, Traveler's factory station edition. So nice. It has the orange band again. Wow, have you seen anything prettier? Wow, so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's just so pretty. Wow. And the blank pages inside is, I am excited to change my cover with this one. The one that I have in the office is just plain blue color. Now I have this one. So pretty. So that's it for my haul from Traveler's Notebook Factory or Traveler's Factory. From all 3 locations. I am very excited to assemble everything now, and everything looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. So it was very exciting going to all 3 locations. I should have gone to the Starbucks one, but you know, I'm not stepping into Starbucks anytime soon, so unfortunately we didn't go to the one to the Starbucks, and we didn't go to the location in Kyoto because for this trip we didn't go to Kyoto. So that's one place that I need to go next time around, hopefully soon. That's all for now. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video somehow. It is entertaining for you, and that if you are interested in purchasing a Traveler's Notebook anytime soon, just do it. Because I think that you will love it, and you can customize it to your own preferences, to suit whatever your schedule may be. So just do it, just take the plunge. It's so exciting. That's all for now. Take care, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.